Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the modem and router are powered and synchronized. That tells you the line is active. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the modem or router and the other into your laptop or into a USB Ethernet adapter attached to the laptop. Once done, disable Wi-Fi so the laptop prefers the wired interface. This avoids routing conflicts. Make sure link lights blink. This indicates physical connection. If using an adapter, install drivers when prompted, because drivers enable data transfer. You now configure the laptop to use the wired connection. Open network settings and select the Ethernet adapter. By default, use DHCP so the router assigns IP, gateway, and DNS automatically. This simplifies setup. If your ISP or network requires a static IP, enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS values exactly. Mismatches prevent access. Once configured, test connectivity by running a quick ping to 8 and checking the adapter status for speed and duplex. These confirm logical network health. Finish by validating internet access. Open a browser, load multiple sites, and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If pages fail or speeds are wrong, restart the modem, router, and laptop, then reseat cables and reconnect the adapter. This often clears negotiation or driver glitches. Make sure adapter drivers are up to date and swap cables to isolate a bad lead. One key troubleshooting tip: if the link light is off, the issue is physical. Replace the cable or test a different port before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.